Assalamu Alaikum, my beautiful sisters. I hope you're all doing well. May Allah put barakah in your time, your knowledge, and everything you're striving for. Ameen. Today's video is a little different because I don't just want to talk about free courses. I want to talk about something I think many of us struggle with, taking the first step. Sister, can I ask you something? Have you ever had a dream that you keep putting off? Maybe you've always wanted to start a small business. Maybe you've wanted to learn a new skill. Maybe you've thought about earning halal income one day. Or maybe you've simply wanted to stop spending so much time scrolling on your phone and start using that time to learn something beneficial. I know I've felt that way. For the longest time I kept telling myself I'll start later, after exams, next month, when life becomes less busy. But one day I realized that later keeps moving further away unless we decide to begin. So instead of waiting for the perfect time, I decided to take one small step. A few days ago I enrolled in DigiSkills. Not because I know exactly what I'm doing, not because I have everything planned, but because I want to prepare myself for the future that Allah has written for me. Whether that future comes in a few months or a few years, only Allah knows. While reading about DigiSkills, I found something that really encouraged me. It's Pakistan's largest free online training program, and since 2018 millions of people have benefited from it. The courses are completely free, and after completing them successfully, you receive an e-certificate issued by Virtual University and Ignite. What touched my heart the most was their focus on helping people, especially women, learn valuable skills from home. As Muslimas, many of us have different responsibilities. Some of us are students, some help our families, some are housewives. Some simply feel more comfortable learning from home. Alhamdulillah, today Allah has opened doors for us to gain beneficial knowledge without even leaving our homes. And that's something we should be grateful for. When I say I want to improve myself, I don't just mean in worldly skills. As Muslims, our first priority is always our relationship with Allah. But I also believe that learning beneficial skills, having good intentions, and preparing ourselves to earn halal or benefit others is something beautiful when it's done for His sake. That's the kind of journey I want to be on, and inshallah, I hope you'll join me. Now you might be wondering, okay sister, which courses did you choose? Since we can enroll in only 2 courses in one DigiSkills batch, I wanted to choose something that actually matched my future goals. After thinking about it, I enrolled in startup strategies and entrepreneurship and Shopify development and dropshipping. Why these 2? Because inshallah, one of my dreams is to start my own business someday. Will it happen after a few months? Maybe. Will it happen next year? Maybe. Only Allah knows what's best. But I don't want to wait until that day comes to start learning. I want to prepare myself now. That's why I chose these courses. I truly believe that knowledge is never wasted. Even if your plans change, what you learn stays with you. And one day, Allah may open a door that you never expected. When that day comes, I want to be ready, inshallah. There's something else I want to share with you. Whenever Allah blesses me with the opportunity to start my business, I want to share that journey with all of you here on Muslimah's Journey. I'll share the planning, the excitement, the challenges, the mistakes I'll probably make, and inshallah, the lessons I learn along the way. Maybe my journey will become a roadmap for another sister who has the same dream but doesn't know where to begin. We'll learn together, we'll grow together, and we'll keep reminding each other that success isn't about becoming famous or making lots of money. Real success is earning the pleasure of Allah while making the best use of the opportunities He has given us. Now, if you're completely new and you're wondering which course you should choose, here's my suggestion. I recommend taking Freelancing as one of your 2 courses. It gives you a good understanding of how online work works, how to communicate with clients, and how to start your journey in a professional way. Then choose your second course according to your own goal, not because everyone else is choosing it, but because it matches the future you hope to build. One important reminder: batch for registrations close on 31st July, and seats are offered on a first-come, first-served basis. So if you're watching this before the deadline, don't wait until the last day. I've left the application link in the description below. And if you're watching this video after July, don't worry. DigiSkills opens new batches throughout the year, so make sure you subscribe to Muslimah's Journey. Whenever a new batch opens, or whenever I find a genuine free course, scholarship, or beneficial program that I think can help us grow, I'll share it here, inshallah. I want this channel to be more than just videos. If you're a sister who wants to grow in her deen, learn beneficial skills, discover free educational opportunities, and become the best version of herself for the sake of Allah, then I truly believe you'll feel at home here. And before I end this video, I have one small request. If you know about any free courses, scholarships, Islamic programs, or other opportunities that could benefit our sisters, please share them in the comments. Maybe your comment will be the reason another sister discovers an opportunity that changes her life. Imagine the reward for that. Also, tell me which DigiSkills course you're planning to choose, or simply comment, Alhamdulillah, I took my first step. I genuinely love to hear about your dreams, and I'll try my best to reply and help where I can, inshallah. May Allah put barakah in our knowledge, our time, and our efforts. May He make us among those who seek beneficial knowledge, benefit others with it, and use it in ways that earn His pleasure. Ameen. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.